let's get started. So, to install Vent, you want to go to Ventrilo and this link, www.ventrilo.com/download.php. And depending on your operating system, you want to get Windows 32-bit, Windows 64-bit, I don't know who has that, or what that is, or macOS, or Linux, which is in development, so just wait a sec, guys. Oh, it turns out you probably can host your own server off yourself. I don't know. I don't want to go into that. Anyway, so I've got a 64-bit computer, so I'll install from this. I just got a fresh copy of Vent for you guys, so hope you're happy. Anyway, click I agree, and let it download. Now this is going to take a while because I am also uploading a video to YouTube, so I'll be back once the download is finished. Alright guys, so we're back and I've installed, downloaded Vent. Now we're going to install Vent, so double click wherever you've put it. I put it onto my desktop so you could see it, and we'll continue as soon as it loads up. Okay, click run. Let it load up, or do something really fast, and let it install, I guess. So, now you've done this, this program is protected by copyright law and international treaties, so don't try and copy the program, I guess, guys. Next. Yeah, I accept, go through all the usual stuff. Place it where you want to place it. Obviously, I'm going to put it there. Just keep it where it is. Next, and let it install. So I'll see how fast this is going to take. I don't know how fast this is going to be. I might just come back once it's finished. Okay guys, so that ended up being installed pretty quickly. It took less than like 30 seconds. So now you can click finished. Now, you should have Ventrilo installed on your desktop. So, open Ventrilo and change to a different profile. And what the hell, it kept all my server information. Anyway, so for the purpose of this, I'm going to create a new name. This can be called. Okay. So just do that. Create a username. You can switch through multiple usernames, obviously, and then for a server, click on server, get an IP. Oh well, new. Call it whatever you want. 9. Put the port name there, the host name there, and if it's got a password there, and the default channel you want to join. So say I want to join the lounge or the kitchen, or just default names of channels. So once you've done, go like that, and go to setup. Click setup. Okay, so depending on what you want to do, there's different things to set up. So obviously you want to set your output device to your speakers, which is this, and your input device to your microphone. So once you've done that, use direct sound. Okay. Now I don't like having push to talk on because it is a pain and I forget it. So I turn push to talk off, and I also turn off play key clicks off because when it transmits my voice, it can get very, very annoying. For example, if I put that on, I have to connect to a server. Well, basically, whenever you talk, it goes bah, and whenever you stop talking, it goes bah, and it's very, very annoying. So turn that off. Now, this is for non-push-to-talkers. I turn my silence down to 1 second and the sensitivity down to 3, but that's just personal preference. I'd say no lower than 10, otherwise it doesn't even pick up your voice unless you're shouting. So I have it at 3. And okay, so that should pick up my voice whenever I talk. But if you want push to talk on, obviously, push to talk, and then just when you click there, H, D, multiple, okay? So, once you've done that, I don't think there's much else to do apart from this Winamp stuff and all others. Now, to events. Events are just really sort of stuff that you want to, when it records into the thing, it's just lots of stuff that you don't really need to worry about. Binds, again, stuff you don't need to worry about. Now, text to speech. This is if So when someone sends a message to you in a server, do you want to say someone to say it like default? Some girl will say it, and then like value blah. You can set it all up here, and then obviously if you like that and listen again, is it going to? No, right. Anyway, network. I'm just gonna turn off that because I don't like it. Network. Now this is something that happens when you drop on a server. What will happen is you will be able to rejoin once you reconnect, but your ghost, ghost or a copy of you will still be in the server, and that will drop. Now, if you enable auto reconnect, that will happen, but if you disable it, it shouldn't happen too often unless you like rejoin straight away. Overlay, all this stuff is just, there's no need in changing it. Maybe the overlay, I mean, you can put that anywhere really, but other than that, it's okay. So now you're done. Connect to a server, for example. Obviously, I'd connect to the wrong account. Our server. Now that's the IP. The port is very different, so yeah, good luck trying to find it. Anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.